Hello everyone, I am Sugadev. Welcome to Dev's Kitchen. So today we are going to see smoked brinjal curry, and in English they call this particular vegetable as eggplant, and Hindi they call this recipe as Baingan Bharta. And this recipe goes well with chapati, roti and all. And you make chapati and take this recipe, and along with that take a bowl of curd and have this with curd and chapati. The taste will be very amazing. And before we get into the recipe, please do subscribe and enable the notifications. Come, let's quickly get into the recipe.
Let me tell you what are the requirements. One brinjal I have taken. This is not the regular brinjal variety which we use. In English we call this as eggplant. And 2 tomatoes I have taken. And 1 onion I have chopped and taken. And 2 green chilies. And 1 teaspoon of chili powder. And half a teaspoon of coriander powder. And half teaspoon of jeera powder. And half teaspoon of salt. At the time of cooking, if we need more salt, we can add. And then a small amount of turmeric powder. So we have to slit the brinjal, like in around 4 slits would be fine. So we have turned the stove on and we are going to burn the brinjal as well as the tomatoes. So we have to turn this and we have to cook it. So if you see the tomatoes skin are already burnt, we can take the tomatoes out and we have to put it in a bowl of water. So it has burnt perfectly. We will just turn off the stove and take it. We have to put this in water bowl. So the reason behind putting in water is nothing but just to peel off the skin. It will be very easy if we just put it in water. Now we will peel off the skin. If you could see, it's very easy to remove. So if you could see, we have peeled it off perfectly. And if you just press it, it will be kind of like very soggy kind of. That's how it will be. We will just remove the stem part. We will cut these things. After heating up the pan, we have to add 2 tablespoons of oil. I have slitted the chilies. We will add the chilies now. We will add the onions now. Once the onion got fried slightly, we will add the tomatoes first. It's been a minute now. Now we will add the brinjal. Now we will add all the masalas. While mixing, just mash it and mix. We will add just quarter tumbler of water. We will add a pinch of turmeric now. Mix it nicely and you can test whether if you need more salt you can add at this point. Now we will just keep the flame in sim and just close this with a lid and leave it for 3 to 4 minutes. Let it cook. It's been 4 minutes now. We will just turn off the stove and take this. We will just garnish it with few coriander leaves. Our burnt brinjal curry is ready. It looks very yummy. The taste will be amazing. Please do try and let me know. Thank you.